Hey guys, Voltage Wolf here, and in today's video, I have this pack of cards here, and what I'm going to do is demonstrate on how to play Crazy 8's. You know that game? It's like Uno, but with these. So, you need a standard 52 card deck, and that's how to start the game. Well, just get the deck out and shuffle. And our main focus here is to learn how to play Crazy 8's and master it. And if that's a thing for you, good. Stay here and we can go further. We remove the jokers and so the king is the highest card. The queen is, yeah, you know. But the 8's are the wild card, and you can change the suit once you place down an 8. Like, let's say all of these cards are played. Let's see. How can we... There we go. Let's say all of these cards are played and you place down an 8. You can say that you switched it to hearts or spades or clubs or diamonds. Just those. I'm never going to use a tarot card, by the way, because that's like fortune telling. All of this is unshuffled, by the way, and this ace right here is 1. And we're gonna shuffle, just so that we can make things more interesting. Move. I need to make something. Alright, anyway, sorry for the interruption. Find the middle of the deck. Low battery. Again, sorry for the interruption. So we do this for shuffling. This is my method, by the way. And then we cut it in half. And that's how I shuffle. But, as you can see, there's still suits by each other. But, it doesn't really matter at this point. So, for your hand, let's say this is the little drawing pile. You and your opponent get, like, let's say, stop. You get, like, 5 cards. You can get 5 cards, like Uno. And, if you don't have a certain thing, like, let's say you flip this over, and it's an 8, so it can be anything. So, if it's like that, then put it down at the bottom, and there's clubs. Now, you can play anything that's an ace, or anything that's a club. And since I don't have any of that, I'm going to draw. And I got a deuce. See, the game is pretty simple. All you have to do is get rid of your hand and empty it, and then you win. And, yeah, it goes on like this. Like, man. I'm trying to make this logical. And, like, see? I didn't have something, so I drew until I can, stop. Oh, I can play something. Yeah. And I can do this. I'm just demonstrating this. This is not a one-player game. You have to have more than one. And all of the players, that can be just right for a standard 52 card deck. Yeah, don't have that. Don't have that either. Yes, I'm gonna change it to diamonds. And, a fun thing to do when I get down to one card is yell out Uno. But it's not Uno, it's Crazy 8's. But I just do it for fun. Doesn't really matter at this point. Yeah, I'm just getting the worst. But, that was a little demonstration here on Crazy 8's. All you need to do... I'm using the, bicycle cards, by the way. I don't think that's really important. But, I just went ahead and threw it out there. Now, when you're playing, just draw one at a time. Don't do train or crazy crap like that. But, yeah, just do one at a time, like done, turn, done, turn, done, turn, done. And, yeah, if you run out of cards in your hand, you win. See? Like Uno. But anyways, I hope you got, informed, and I hope this little guide helped, and how to play it, and what to do. And, this has been I Voltage Wolf, and I'll see you guys next time.